I mean, it's just quick play if he doesn't want to.
We need to win this.
Focus Hanzo. He's throwing.
Oh, watch for turrets up here.
Hanzo dead. I'm gonna jump up top in like 4 seconds.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Bubble's up. I'm waiting for bubble. I'm going now.
Oh.
Monkey. I'm body blocking.
Yep, I'm with you. Thank you. Nice.
Widow. Oh, they have a Reaper now. Well, that's not fun.
Widow and Mercy on point.
Oh, Mercy. Oh, okay.
Oh, Genji's going wild.
Wow.
Oh, D.Va was just jumping out.
How did I not get the Mercy with it?
Yeah, let's back up.
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't help. Yo, focus the Reaper.
You guys can push in. They have 3 people back
Reaper's
looking for a
dead.
tracer.
Widow's up top. Widow's dead if you want to res that. Sim on point. Half HP. Nice. Mercy back left, no fly for a second.
We'll go for
I hit my E.
Mercy's
I
resing.
hate that. Not enough time to press the button.
She res the Widow. Widow's gonna die in a second.
There we go.
For the hill. Kill the Reaper.
He's really low. On point.
Nice too. I'm gonna go aggro.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Might be a stagger or two. Oh yeah, the Sims and Mercy are free. Let me know if you need me to get you up, Mercy. Nice to. Kill the Orisa. Nice to. Up top, Reaper. Ah, I can win the 1v1, he's bad. Wait, don't help D.Va. Got him.
Alright.
Why did you hang out there instead of retreating? I didn't even think you were there. You don't respect that there's 6 people at a goddamn time in the game. Come on, you gotta start fixing the little things, dude. You gotta start fixing the little things. The little
Kill that
reasons why
Widow,
you're
she's
not
one.
amazing.
Got her.
Little reasons why you don't win every game. You gotta start fixing them.
Oh, where's Reaper? He's inside the middle thing.
Oh, I'm dead.
Reaper's behind
Yeah.
point.
Damn it.
Watch out, guys. Reaper behind.
Can't help.
Needs-
Nice.
Oh, okay, well, he's still behind.
He's in the Moira. Reaper's on left. Holy crap, he's bad.
We can get Orisa maybe. They're in the middle.
I don't play Orisa. I'll take the D.Va if you want it. Thanks for the help, Mercy. Mercy's one. I'm on Genji.
Be careful.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll push payload while you guys have fun up there.
I have no problems with that plan.
Someone's sneaking behind. Moira, watch your back.
Careful, Mercy.
Reaper's teleporting behind the payload.
Oh, I see.
Did he just
Ooh, it's
ult?
his ult. Yeah, that was his ult, I think.
Keep him in there.
Oh, no.
Alright. Good job, guys.
GG.
That handful of good plays there. Even though it's a handful of dumb things too. Shot call. I almost happened to get shot call.
That was fun.
But yeah, basically,
Where'd they all go?
Hey, good heals, Mercy. You built me out of a lot of situations.
basically I need to, yeah, just fine tune my shit. Stop. Stop making stupid mistakes, easy mistakes that I know how to prevent. That's just me playing on autopilot. I need to like consciously try to win every game. Consciously try to always be the best every game. I need to stop like just going through the motions. Stop doing dumb things. Alright, 1.25 off season between 10 and 11, June 29, 2018, Friday, Love Vegas, and transmission.